Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your networking skills with Meetup easy tutorial step by step clearly. First, start by creating an account on meetup.com. Go to the website and click on the sign up button. Fill in your details, including your name, email, and password. After signing up, confirm your email address to activate your account. Once logged in, set up your profile. Add a profile picture that reflects your personality and professionalism. Fill in your bio, highlighting your interests and skills. Next, explore local meetup groups related to your industry or interests. Use the search bar to find keywords that resonate with you. Take note of the groups that have active member engagement. Join the groups that align with your networking goals. Participation in discussions will help you stand out. Attend events organized by these groups to meet new people. Make sure to RSVP to ensure your spot at each event. Prepare a brief introduction about yourself for in-person meetups. Be open to conversations and ask questions to others. Follow up with people you connect with after the event. Send a personalized message on Meetup or through social media. Keep track of your connections and any new opportunities. Regularly check Meetup for new events in your area. Continuously engage with the groups by participating in online discussions. Consider starting your own Meetup group if you see a gap in the market. Share your knowledge and insights to attract like-minded individuals. Consistently optimizing your networking skills on Meetup can lead to meaningful connections. Remember, building a network takes time, so be patient and persistent. With the right approach, you'll enhance your professional relationships effectively. Make the most of this platform and watch your network grow. Soon, you'll find yourself immersed in a community that supports your goals. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.